Chefman Grind and Brew 4-cup coffee maker and grinder, compatible with fresh beans and grounds, adjustable strength settings, washable coffee filter and scoop included, compact, black stainless steel. Freshly ground coffee. With the Chefman Grind and Brew's integrated grinder, you can grind your coffee beans just before brewing them, preserving the bean oils and flavors up until the very last moment, and enjoy fresh coffee in minutes. As strong as you like it, enjoy coffee house quality, fresher and faster with this compact 4-cup home brewing system. Equipped with a permanent washable coffee filter, one-button operation, and different brew strength settings, you can customize your coffee to your liking. Accepts pre-ground coffee, featuring a brew setting for coffee grounds. This coffee machine offers extra versatility. Just pick your favorite coffee, place the grounds in the filter, and brew. You can easily monitor the brewing status with the water level viewing window. Keep warm and pause functions. Keep your coffee hot with the 30-minute keep warm function. The pause function allows you to pull out the carafe mid-brew so you can sip, enjoy, and continue brewing. Auto shut-off feature ensures added safety. Resources: Settle approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. 600 watts 120 volts, RJ144GB. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.